Today we're going to talk about how to add a code to a Schlage Electronic BE365 deadbolt. This lock has two default codes. If you want to remove those default codes because you're moving into a house that's already had this lock installed, stay tuned for the link at the end of this video that'll tell you how to do that. To add a PIN code, the first thing you're going to need to do is enter the programming code. You can find the lock's programming code on a sticker on the inside of the lock. If you're moving into a home that already had this lock installed, they may have changed the programming code, so you might have to reset the lock to get back to the original programming code. We'll put a link to that in the description down below in case you need to do that. This is going to be a 6-digit code, and in this case it is 689576. So let's enter that programming code. You're going to see 3 beeps, and that tells you that you are in programming mode. And if you hit the orange button, the lights are going to go blue, which indicates that it's ready for you to enter a program function. Here you want to press the number 1, which is the function to add a code. Then you're going to enter your 4-digit user code. Again, you're going to see 3 beeps indicating that it took the code. Enter your 4-digit user code again. And if the green light comes on, that means both of your codes matched and it has been successfully entered. Now let's try it and make sure that the lock opens. There you go. Everything seems to have worked. So on your screen now is the summary of how to add a code to a Schlage Electronic BE365 lock. You find and enter the programming code. You hit the Schlage button to get you the blue lights. You enter 1 to add a code. Enter your new code. Enter your new code again and test. Get it back to the factory original codes. You should see a link to that now on your screen. And if you need to know how to remove the default user codes, you should see a link to that video as well. Thanks for watching. Locksmith recommended.